Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy, Mathematics faculty. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, level 1, 19 problems completed. Now I am going to discuss that 20th problem. Now see the 20th question. What they are given conditions, the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to cos x and y is equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. So they are given two curves. Y is equal to cos x means cos x curve we know very well. And one straight line given. Y is equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. This is converting to intercept form. 2x by pi plus y that is equal to 1. Now x divided by pi by 2 plus y by 1 that is equal to 1. That means this point is 0 comma 1 and this point is pi by 2 comma 0. Now the line intersecting at two places. So what are the two places? This place, how to identify? So that means this is cos 270. Okay. Overall, the sin x curve is like this. This is the straight line. In fourth quadrant, the line is intersecting the curve. So here totally two areas are there. The two areas are symmetrical. So one of the area and second area, both are equal. Now, find the required area. Required area that is equal to 2 times into, find any one of the area. Now I am going to take 0 to pi by 2. So in this interval, what is upper curve? Cos x, lower curve, straight line. That is 1 minus 2x by pi. This is a straight line. Now upper curve minus lower curve. Do the simplification, we get answer easily. Now 2 into integration cos x sin x minus integration 1 dx x minus into minus plus 2 divided by pi integration x square by 2. Now what are the limits? 0 to pi by 2. Now 2 into substitute upper limit sin 91 minus pi by 2 plus 2 by pi. Here 2 to cancel. So this is 1 by pi. X square is there. Substitute pi by 2. You will get pi square by 4 minus lower limit 2 into. Those are all 0 only. Here pi cancel. Then what will come? 2 into 1 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4, that is minus pi by 4. So multiply with 2, 2 minus 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 2. This is the answer, 2 minus pi by 2. Students, which option is correct? First option is correct. Next, I am going to 21 question. So what they are given? Mod x divided by a plus mod y divided by b is equal to 1. If you are removed modulus, then you will get plus or minus. That means here there are 4 lines possible. This is one. What is the equation of the line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Next, another place here. This is minus x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is minus x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. This is x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. So here total area, required area, the total area is symmetrical about x and y axis. It divides 4 equal parts. Find any one of the part. 4 into area of which area we need to find? I'm going to find this area. This origin, the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 means this length is a, this length is b. So this is take capital A. This point is capital B. Area of triangle OAB. What is the formula? Area of triangle half into base into height. Base is A, height is B. See here calculation. We get 2AB square units. Here already given A greater than 0 and B greater than 0. No need to find total area. So here no need to find total, only area of triangle OAB. So what is the answer here, students? What is the answer? Half AB. Half AB. So observe carefully. A greater than 0 and B greater than 0. That means only in first quadrant we need. So that is the area of triangle OAB. Answer is half AB. First option is correct. Students, A greater than 0, B greater than 0 means only AB values. Those are x-intercept and y-intercept now. Intercept means those, that is length only. So here we need 4. 4 into. So we get answer 2AB, not 1 by 2AB. 2AB, this is the answer. So third option is correct, not first option. Okay. Students, see the 22. The area of the region bounded by the curve x square plus y square is less than or equal to 4. First to take that x square plus y square is equal to 4 means this is equation of circle, center origin and radius is 2. Okay. Now y is less than or equal to minus x. Take y is equal to minus x first of all. Now draw the graph. First draw the circle. This is circle. And draw the coordinates. This is x coordinate. This is y coordinates. X. This is y. What about this point? That is 2. Now another line given, y is equal to minus x. Where it is? Here. This is y is equal to minus x. That means the line is symmetrical about circle and the area is symmetrical about the line. The line is dividing two parts. So less than or equal to 4 given and less than or equal to minus x. So these values need. Less than means below the line or below the circle. So the point of intersection of both the curves, this is the required area. That means this is area of semicircle only now. So required area that is equal to half of area of circle. Semicircle means half of area of circle only now. Right. Half. What is area of circle formula? Pi r square. R is 2. So 2 to cancel. That is 2 square means 4. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. Not 2 to cancel. So finally, what we are getting answer? 2 pi. Third option is correct. Now see the 23rd question. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to c square into x square. So that is x square is equal to 1 by c square into y. Then what is x? X is equal to under root 1 by c square into y. That is 1 by c into y power 1 by 2. So first to draw the diagram. This is coordinate system. And y x square is equal to 1 by c square y. So that is x square is equal to 4ay like that is said. So this is the curve. This is the curve. And here y is equal to a, y is equal to b. Here a greater than b, less than b not given. So I am taking that first y is equal to a. Next y is equal to b. So observe here. This is the required area. Okay, students. Now required area is equal to, what are the limits? A to b. These are y values. So a to b, x dy. What is x value? Here already we know that. Substitute 1 by c, take outside, y power 1 by 2, integration a to b dy. Okay. So integration y power 1 by 2. What? Y power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So what is the limit? What are the limits? A to b. Now 3 by 2 is there in the denominator. Send to numerator, you will get 2 by 3c. Now substitute upper limit b power 3 by 2 minus lower limit a power 3 by 2. This is the answer. Students, observe that which option is correct? First option is correct. Now go to 24th question. The area of the region formed by the curves root x plus root y is equal to 4 between coordinate axes. Here one shortcut formula is say the area bounded by root x plus root y is equal to root a and the coordinate axis is a square by 6. This is a shortcut form. But see the question, what they are given, root x plus root y, that is equal to 4 given. That is we can write root 16. Root 16 value 4 only now. By comparing the formula and question, what is a value? 16. Now required area. What is shortcut formula? That is equal to a square by 6. What is a value? 16. 16 square means I am writing 16 into 6 divided by 6. See the calculation? 2 3s are 2 8s are. So 8 6 are 48, totally 128 divided by 3. This is the answer. But here the options are mistake. Options are mistake. So change that option, or suppose 16 by 3. This is changed. 128 by 3. This is the answer. This shortcut method. Or go another method. What is another method? Root x plus root y is equal to 4 given. If x is equal to 0 means what happens? See, substitute there, you will get y value is 16. That means this is one point of intersection 0 comma 16. If x is equal to 16, then what is y? You will get 0. So another point of intersection 16 comma 0. Draw the diagram. This is, here is the 16, here is the 16. The curve is like this. The curve is like this. This is the curve. Intersecting like this. 1 second. Roots are there, cannot be get negative. So we get like this. Okay. This is the required area. This point is 16 comma 0. This is 0 comma 16. This is the origin. Now here observe that what is y? Root y is equal to 4 minus root x. Then what is y? Y is equal to 4 minus root x whole square. Now required area that is equal to integration 0 to 16 4 minus root x whole square. This is integration 0 to 16 4 minus root x whole square means 16 plus x minus 8 to root x. Root x means x power 1 by 2 dx. Now apply the integration 16x plus x square by 2 minus 8 into x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So substitute limits. So finally you will get the answer 128 by 3 only. Okay. So up to here we are completed level 1 probe.